So I'm gonna do my lipstick challenge now. I'm gonna go for my lipstick. I soon come. I'm gonna make sure I win that one. Yeah. If I even some for my teeth.
Show me no all like Papa P, like fuck up P. Heavy when me roll up, y'all tap a pre. Jaws a fi drop on me, beat up the property. Me no fi jokey like a maca tree. Show me thing I go and go chiwa shakka D. Me girl a follow like the man.
Are you sound of it there? Sound no see me run up and down process a long time and I could tap me. Yes. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Bianca Entertainment, and today I'm going to do a lipstick challenge. Yeah. So I'm gonna do my nails then for. I saw me at my do my nails and my eyelash because it's a lipstick challenge, so I think I at girl something. Don't watch this. So we do it for Sunday. Make sure you like the video, subscribe and share this because somebody else want to laugh too.
Just do it!
So when I watch myself, a fish we are going to eat. Fish with cabbage and crushed Irish. My finger them a bother me. And if you guys want to know my nail tech, she live down the road. She bad pan the nails, but she never do that one. You're good, guys. You can go down the road on the nails, but she never do that one. You're good. Girl down the road, her boyfriend name. Yeah. So I'm gonna do my lipstick challenge now. Yeah, so I made it again. Back for the lipstick challenge. You not see me? You not see me? Make sure you not see me. So them say a lipstick challenge, so I have to take off my nails them. Come and now put on them far. Them a pressure me. Them a pressure my system. Hey guys, so see my lipstick here. I eat me, I'm going to use it near matte or matey.
Stop it. Get some help.
No, whichever way you don't want to put it. Yeah, so this me I'm going to use. We don't want to use one pink one, kind of bright one, you can see catch me very black. But this way I work with today. Yeah, and the girl will invite me to the challenge, big her up. Go over to our channel and subscribe to her. She named lifewithdsjahneamom. Okay, just go over to our channel and tell her say Bianca Entertainment. So no. Yeah guys, so we did that challenge about 5 weeks ago. But we never get the time because you know we're busy. I gotta work. And I fix up with channel. But anyway, I put on olive in guys, so when we done eat. What this not look like no lipstick funny man. Hold on there guys, I get a brighter lipstick. Pause.
So guys, the lipstick didn't work. I don't know what. I wanted me to turn from the right angle. Hold on, give me a minute.
Yeah guys. So I put on one look brighter lipstick. The one that wasn't so bright. Okay, keep on go look bright. My lipstick on me have dolly. Guys, I want done lipstick this in the car. The one when I done it's too dull. I'm gonna put on this bright. Can I make sure I win that one? Yeah. If I even some for my teeth. Realize I'm not win the challenge from what day. I'm up to win that one. Big shout out to Life with Jahneamom for nominating me in this challenge. Cause I'm gonna win. I'm gonna go further with the camera. I'm gonna win. Yeah, girl, I'm doing that shine something. You want to take off my nails them? Wait, ma'am, I can't eat with one and a nails. I don't think so. Yeah, so I eat my nice clean food, you know. Yeah, I did see it for a long time though. I some love show off. Yeah guys, look at this lipstick I have. If you try done one, why we not poor? I have to use the done one, I could even buy a lipstick for lipstick challenge. And a good time. I could afford for the nails. You know like the color them? Yeah.
So guys, this is 2 that skill and make me have to cut 5 of the nails them. So I'm going to eat to the next side.
So guys, what we're going to talk about? Like seriously. They're not stressing me out. How am I left my wig? I wear my wig, you know. Oh, I'm going to set the time. Hold on there. Pause. Yeah guys, so I'm not about to set the time. I can't bother to pick up again in the coming years. They must stress me out. Yeah, oh, I'm going to eat this fish with them now. Who does it better? Only my grandmother does it better.
5 minutes later.
What's your the girl name? Candice? I don't know what you're going to eat now, but they may stress me out there a little bit. Wait. Yeah, I left the wig and all them something there, so that's not really relevant right now. Yeah guys, so as we're saying, Candice, you lucky if you want to go eat zinger. Like come tell me about eat zinger. No girl. This me I eat. Something I can go and fuck. Enough lip my lip.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Uh-oh. Tap lick your lip. Yeah, you that? Shall we come to win this? Or we still win? I never win a nice challenge for me. Yeah guys, I'm going to cut my nails to eat the fish because I don't know where me are going on nails and a lipstick challenge. So girl fool. So girl fool. Where am I going on nails? Guys, when I like Dr. Fish, comment below if you like it. Is this a picture? If your boyfriend impotent, you drink some of this there. Put on a beach and buy a whole heap of this scene. Put on a beach. When they see the boatman then come in, or they shoot at them, they don't say, hello, doctor, me want. Boil in a soup game. Every Sunday morning earlier game that. I took a breadfruit leaf tea. Breadfruit leaf and mango leaf tea. With this a fish named Dr. Fish. Girl, I gotta run from him. Hey! So guys, my neighbor have people on me while I go do the video. And I laugh. Because this one, when I do TikTok every day. And I say, I get paid. I think them people on TikTok. It's long before I have this channel, right now. So guys, I do TikTok. I say, somebody has to listen to me. Give them a video. So put on the channel. I say, no sir, tall. Why am I channel myself? Put my channel. I'm trying to say, yeah. People pay people for YouTube, but if you have to subscribe and so every morning when I wake up now, I'm asking beside me pay. I wonder if I don't think that me guys. Hold on. I'm about a lipstick challenge. Guys, my name remember, hold on, give me a chat. Bro. still have a lipstick, man.
Like I don't think don't, you know. You know when people don't miss it. I just give me one. Guys, so then, here lipstick on my finger.
What if you supposed to drink? I remember that apart. Well, guys, me try rub some. Me try rub some of the top one on the bottom, cause I can't lose this. You mad? No. Hurry up, girl. I can't lose this. What am I saying? Anybody win the challenge I get a toast and a credit? Is that not true? Me want a credit them. Come girl, take time eat. Stop doing like a hooligan. Why you behaving ghetto-ish? I want to see that lipstick here. That lipstick here, me. A lipstick. I can put on back dinner for me. Look at your nice eat. I want it nicer than the doctor, guys. It take the seasoning. It take the sauce. So guys, the next video we're not going to see. Oh Jesus. Next video we're not going to see, guys. Is I'm doing a video on how I look after this SKB's fish and this mashed potato. Now we make this a challenge, you know. You know why? So I have to eat with caution. I want to go on with my fish, you know. I want to dash out myself for my fish, you know. I have to do it with caution. I have a good time. I will make this. DJ name, I ask her please to tell me who made that challenge here. Do not interrupt me, agony, I mean. Yeah. I don't like it. Guys, I think that challenge I don't know. I don't think so. Guys, I want to eat my food, man. I can't bother. Alright. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm going to put on my nails them to make the outro. I was going to cancel me eat off half of the lipstick and half left. So I win though. I win, man. I win. Yeah. I win, no. Well, comment below and tell me if I win. What happened to the nails, yeah? Yeah, I win. Me win. Wait, I put up the camera and show you I win. Me win a lipstick challenge. Me win a lipstick challenge because I come out here at tear out. Your eyelash no fix good. I tear up on the side there. Lipstick the palm mouth same way. One earring over here so. None over here so. Boy. My heart. I'll do my left my wig. My heart. So here what I'm going to do for me. Like the video, yeah, subscribe, share with a friend. Tell them say I'm me win a lipstick challenge. How much are we do lipstick challenge? 5 are we? And me win, look.
it now. Sorry. Ta-ta.
Chew me no all like Papa P, like fuck up P. Heavy when me roll up, y'all tap a pre. Jaws off a Japanese beat up a proper.